Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Pharmacypedia. This is Dr. Shikha Chauhan and in this session we are going to learn how to check the plagiarisms. There are a large number of softwares which are being available. I know many softwares and you can check through any of the software. In this I am going to tell you how to check the plagiarism using Drillbit software. So this is the website of the Drillbit. Here we can check the plagiarisms. So when you log into the website, the screen appears like this. Now you go to the login part. Another screen window will appear which will look like this. So through user ID and password, you can log into this Drillbit website. So once you appear here on this screen, you can see you first have to create the folder and then you have to select the respective folder to submit the document. I've already created the folder with the name ABCD. You can just create the folder over here and name it. So when you try to create the folder, the screen like this will appear where you can create the folder giving it a certain validity date. So since I've already created, I'll go to that respective folder and press the search button. Now the folder where I want to submit my file is here. Now I am going to select the respective file for which I need to check the plagiarism. So there are multiple options like upload in the English, or if you want to upload in other languages, other regional languages like that. So you can upload by the single file or even the multiple file. So since I have to check just for one file, so I'm going to upload through the single file option. So when I press this single file, another window will appear like this. Simply you have to give any name. Anything you can just put up. You can go to the respective folder and submit the file. So once you submit the file, it will start processing and check for the plagiarism. So it is just now checking up. Now this checking plagiarism is very important. The reason being, if you want to check which websites, which details have been used, it will be clearly appearing in this. So once you have this data, you can easily understand what are the different sources being used up during the compilation of that particular document. So once this process is over, then you can see like for other files also there the similarity here represents your plagiarism, the similarity values. For example, if it says 14%, it simply means that it is having 14%. So now simply what you can do, you can download these reports. So like it will take hardly 5 minutes for this to get it completely checked down. So in the meantime, we can check other report which has already been checked out. For example, I take any report like this. So you have this download button, you press it the download button and then it will give you some location. You can on any desired location you can do it. So once the file appears, this is your plagiarism file. So you can see this is the Drillbit plagiarism detection report. So it appears like that. So it says this report is having 13% of the plagiarism, and these are the various sources. You can even have the source type and the percentage of the data having similarity with that. So you can see different color marks have been highlighted with the different sources. So even the numbers are being allocated. So you can see overall here 45 sources have been identified. Some are less than 1%, some are more than that. So overall it is making 13% of the plagiarism. So accordingly you get such kind of the report. So now you can revise the report accordingly, and then you have to make these corrections. So this is how we check the plagiarism in any of the document. I hope it helps you out. Thank you so much, everyone.